Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel Forex Clubhouse. Now I know trading can be very hard, especially if you don't have a mentor to guide you personally in your trading journey. I have been there. So in this video today, I will be your mentor and I will guide you on how to find proper entries on your trades so that you too can have results such as this consistently on your trading account. For those that need validation to know if it is a real account or not, you can see for yourself that it is a real account. Now, it is my sincere hope that you will have your notebook and pen ready for notes taking. In the meanwhile, do like this video and hit that subscribe button to always be a member of this awesome trading channel. Guys and girls, welcome back to the video. So we are going to start with how to find proper entries on your trades. The screenshot currently is on 1 hour time frame, and on the 1 hour time frame it can be seen that the market was trending on a downtrend. Hence it will be only nothing but normal for us to look for sell entries for this case, right? Wrong. That's not the case. Why? It is because if you go to the higher time frame, which for this case will be the 4 hour time frame, it can be seen that the market is on an uptrend. Hence it will be only accurate for this case to look for buy entries only and nothing else. And this is one of the very reasons why top-down analysis is way too important, as it makes you to never get too much zoomed in on the lower time frames alone, because you won't just be able to get a full picture once you get too much zoomed in on the lower time frames while ignoring what the higher time frames are telling you. Now let's get back to our trade. On the 4 hour time frame, I came to notice that the market is on a retest to the uptrend's previously higher low, and that's why I marked my support zone right here. Now this is the point that you should note down in bold letters. The market does not always have to retest to this level before going up. It can at times fail to retest to this previously higher high and come down all the way to this level right here. So make sure you practice proper risk management at all times. The market is an area of uncertainty, and make sure you master trading psychology at all times to know how the majority of the trades are trading at the moment, so that you avoid being on the downside. I like to call it that way, being on the downside, because, well, yeah, statistics show that 90% of traders always grow their trading accounts in less than 3-month periods. So it will be wise to know when to trade in the direction not the same as those 90% of the traders, right? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I do personally offer private learning sessions through Zoom meeting app on one-to-one basis regularly, signal services, trading advices, and many more services. If you want to get more details on how to have access to those VVIP services, please do click the Telegram link in the description below. Well, the trade is currently on a minor resistance level right now. Now, anything can happen on that level. A market may go back all the way down, and on shifting back to the 30-minute time frame, I see also a reversal candlestick on this resistance level, telling me that the market has a potential of reversing back all the way back to my entry. So it is in this scenario that you have to avoid being greedy. Let me avoid being greedy and close all of my positions first. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. It is my hope that you have enjoyed. If you want to join my VVIP mentorship services or a paid signal page, please do click the link in the description for details. Now please take this time to click the like button, then hit that subscribe button without forgetting to turn the notification bell icon on. Thank you for watching, and bye.